Again, loves, Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a montage of hops today. So we have our 52-week everyday photo challenge, which is put on by the lovely Miranda Weber. So this is Maggie. And so she sees a bird. See the bird? And then she's going to be sneaky and she's going to hunt the bird. Okay, Maggie's on a lead. She's not getting that far anyway. Because right over here, this is my neighbors across catty-cornered, but right behind them is US Highway 55. And she likes to run that way. And Maggie, once she gets away from you, no matter how much you call, she lets you get within like 5 feet, and then she darts off running again. Now, when I got a Basset Hound, my husband promised me a slow, fat, lazy dog. She's fat, but she is neither slow or lazy. This dog likes to run and play. Winter and the snow has been glorious for her. But anyway, so the pit bull gets to roam around. The docile Basset Hound has to be put on a lead. So anyway, she's always hunt something, you know, because she's got the houndy nose. So we're going to go ahead and do those. I'm going to cut those down because we don't need all of that. On my mission to use up all 6x6 paper pads, I have pulled out these three from a Brutus Monroe from a couple years ago. On the back side it's green, but I'm using it for the red. And then this is from some rando paper pad that I've had forever. It was a travel one, and I believe this is somewhere in Europe. Looks like Greece in the Isles. I'm using it for the white on the back to match my photos. Boom. It is also Buttons Galore and More Day. So I've got the Buttons Galore and More subscription box, and we're going to be using, I'm hoping to use the rest of these three Romance Big Red Buttons Up. I have these little guys here, so I'm going to try to see what I can pull in from these buttons. We've got the Jewels, and they are in a beautiful red iridescent color. And then I've got the Romance Lovely collection, which is just some red and pink hearts. I have pulled this collection because it is page kit 42. This is the Simple Stories Simple Vintage Linen Market from the Scrap Room. So all of that matched this. And it is day 3 of Follow a Sketch February. And here is the sketch here. So as you can see, it looks like we have got a layout that is matted. We have 3 photos, 2 smaller, 1 centered with a larger border. Looks like some mixed media in each corner and then some strips and a title. So this is by Kim Kian. So there you guys go. So you can see that when I give credit to the creators. So I'm going to recreate that with all this fun stuff. So let's see, was this a double shot kit or a Flavors of Life kit? So double shot, and then I get the double shot, the Flavors of Life, the embellishment add-on, and the pattern paper add-on. The embellishment add-on and the pattern paper add-on coordinate with the Flavors of Life. The double shot is just 2 kits. So this looks like it was a Flavors of Life because you get, and because of the embellishment pack, I'll have more papers. Scrap Room is awesome, you guys, because it just gives you a smattering little sampling of all of these collections. So instead of me going out and buying this entire collection, because Lord knows I wanted to, I have enough to play with to satisfy my needs, and I don't spend a lot of money and hoard this until I die, because I'm on a mission in 2025 to use up all of this stuff. And I've been making a very big dent in it. I actually started it in December. Mostly because I couldn't walk into my craft room anymore. There was a path. Like, there was no organization. There was just bins of paper collections sitting everywhere. So that had to go. We did some rearranging. I allow myself, because I can't do a complete spending freeze. I've tried. It sucks. Not going to do it. I get paid twice a month. So I've allowed myself to spend $150 every 2 weeks. Now, am I going to do that? No. Like, I get paid at the 15th and the last day of the month. So the paycheck that I got at the end of December, I spent $70. We're coming up on the 15th again, just so you know, because I'm filming this on January 13th. I'm that far ahead. So, we'll see. But at least it gives me an option. Because when I tell myself no, for some reason, you tell me no and I have to do it. So anyway, we've got this little bit. So we've got some puffy pieces and some cutouts, it looks like. Some die cuts. And I have the entire 12 by 12 sticker sheet. And then we have this, which, yes, I think I'm going to cut that whole strip out and get that strip in the middle. Gonna do that. Okay. That is beautiful. I think I'm going to put it right down the center. And then this can settle as the two little mix. Man. Alright, so now I need to find something to mat it with. Oh, my word. How beautiful. Oh, wait a minute. No, I don't want the bike. I just don't. Okay. But we've got some Basil Typhoon cardstock. Also comes in the kit. Alright. So that is our plan. This is the first time that I am playing with this collection. And it is from probably June of 2024 or July of 2024. Yay. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut my photos down. I'm going to mat them. I'm going to cut this all up and get that on there. And we will be right back. All right, so this is what we've got. I've used that. I've added a couple of stripes. I am too close. All right. I've added a couple stripes on either side. Pretty much covered that whole one up except for up here because it was getting lost with that background. I've put our title here. So we have secured the sketch. So we're going to go ahead and just move on. And I've got, so for 52 weeks of random photos, boom. Page kit 42 and follow a sketch. And the only thing I have to do is embellish and get the Buttons Galore and More on there. So let's just come in. Too bad there's not little birdies on this one, right? And we're gonna, whoa, almost covered up the bird. That would not have been cool. So we've got our title here. And just, let me see. Well, see if we can tuck some of these elements in, right? So let's just go ahead. Whoa. Okay, seriously. Okay, we'll get that guy stuck there. Not a dandelion in sight, but we're gonna get this one stuck on here. Okay. I'm gonna focus on using the sticker sheet. I know that I have these things, but the sticker sheet is gonna be our main priority. So let's go with popping this up on some foam. Getting that stuck down. Just to bring in a little subtitle, Days Like These, just because she was funny. Let's go ahead and add okay, so that I could hear noise and I thought it was going to be my husband, and usually he has no self-control and he must talk. But I think it was my son, who does have self-control and doesn't need to talk when he hears me talking. He usually tries to come out pretty quiet because, you know, you never know. Okay, we need to spin that because there is actual newsprint behind these little stars. Okay. All right. What else? Let's see. We got a little happy. Okay. And so fun. Okay. And then I need, let's see. Let's do bright. I'm just kind of tuck that one in right there. All right. Let's I was, but then I decided not to. Okay. Let's go ahead and stick some lemons right there. All right, what else do we have? We got some more butterflies in here. All right, so I've used everything that I wanted to use off that sheet. Now I just want to take... Oh, there's another dandelion. No. So we're going to go ahead and put some butterflies on here, because we've got those. Mainly our cluster is going at the bottom here, and I'm okay with that. Well, okay. Oh, goodness, goodness, goodness. We need to do a bumblebee layout. All right, let's splatter some of these finishing touches. So I'm going to go ahead and go over here, pull out what I want. I do want to use these. Make that guy there. Okay, there. Then we can put one right here, and that has successfully used up those. So let's do it. Okay, we're gonna get this one right here. If you guys can hear my husband talking, he's on the bait, but like, he must be, I'm pretty sure he's a little deaf. So he is going to be 49 this year. We're actually looking at where we want to go for his 50th birthday celebration, and we're thinking a cruise. I'm thinking a European cruise. He could care less. It's all about really me. All right, let's get some of these light pink ones on here, and you know what? I'm going to layer up the buttons, because that sounds smashingly fun to me. And it's also something I've never done. So, whoa, you stay there. Okay. Uber super dimensional. And these are, like I said, from Buttons Galore and More, one of their subscription boxes. Okay. And what do we have in the value pack? Oh, I'm sure there's... Oh, you know what? Let's do the gold this time through. We got 3 of those on there. So I'm going to go ahead and... Let's see. Well, they're hearts. But you know what? We got hearts and stars. We're mixing them. We're mixing them. We're mixing them. We're mixing them. Okay, and then how I fix this is I just come in and I stick my scissors in, and I just kind of go. If I can't get it like that, then I will take it like this And I do not touch this side. You'll cut yourself. I just kind of hold my hand over it so I don't, you know. Just to make sure that I've got it. And you can see I am not touching. And I'm applying just a little bit of pressure. And then I take what's left of those little tines and I just plop a whole bunch of glue on there. Now Bumbles is going to join the party. Stop it, B. And we're going to stick this one right here. Alright, you guys. And I'm not going to put any of these on here. But that's okay, because we can use those for another day. So don't forget to check everybody else out that's playing along with 52 weeks of everyday photos. And follow A Sketch February. And I will see you guys later with another video. Bye.